Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys could drive traffic to your Clickbank product step by step. So I'm gonna show you guys how you guys could do it, how you guys could create your video ads and stuff like that. So I could show you guys how you guys can actually do it step by step. So yeah, before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And I'm doing 3 times a week to post videos, but I don't know what days, so just put your notification on so you guys can get notified when I upload my next video. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So I'm gonna show you guys the same opt-in forms that we did for a Clickbank product. So if you guys want to know how you guys could set up everything, like set up your simple high converting funnel, hit the link right here and I'll take you to that next video, because I'm basically doing a little series for you guys with that. And if you guys want to know how to set up your email sequence, because that's where the money really comes in, you guys could click this video right here. So yeah, and this is how you guys are gonna actually drive traffic to your Clickbank product. Alright, and yeah, this is not free traffic, this is actually gonna be paid traffic. If you guys want me to do a free traffic way, all you guys gotta do is comment down below and I'll do a separate video for that. But yes, so you guys can get the fastest results. I'm gonna show you guys a good way for you guys to get started with paid ads. So what you guys want to do is actually go to, if you guys have not yet created a YouTube account, go ahead and create a YouTube account. It's completely free to create one. And yeah, so after you guys created a YouTube account, you guys want to go to upload a video. Alright, so what you guys want to do is actually, you guys do not have to create your own YouTube video or your own video ads. Some of these products, like with the health fitness niche, I don't think BioFit has one. Let me check, but if they do, I'll use that video, but I don't think they do. Okay, give me a second, let it load up. They do have some stuff that you guys could use, like the email swipes. The videos, they say videos here, but last time I checked, they did not have the videos up yet. So let's see. Yeah, still not up yet. So for this tutorial, I'm actually going to show you guys a quick way, better way for you guys to actually do this. Alright, so let's go back to Clickbank and let's find a other product. They have an affiliate page. 99.9% sure that they have a video ads for you guys to use, so you guys could click their things and they could have it. So I'm gonna use this one for example. Let's see if they have the video, a video ad that we could use. So I'm gonna go in there real quick. Alright, welcome to Belly Fat. Alright, let's see. They got emails, sign up. Alright, high converting funnels. Alright, tracking pixels, CPA. Now Facebook ads. Oh, they do have Facebook ads to show you, but like the headlines and stuff like that, like some of these people are, but they do not have videos for you guys to use. Alright, they do not have videos for you guys to use, so we'll go back and find one that does have a video for us to use. Alright, let me see which. I know one of them does. Alright, detox. This one, no, not this one. Alright, let me go. I believe this one has a video. Yes, this one does have a video. I've promoted these in the past, so this one does have a video. Alright, so let's get your affiliate tools. Go to affiliate tools, stuff like that. Alright, your links. Alright, they do have a sales video for you guys to use. You guys could use any of these, like click here to download the video testimonials. Yeah, you could use any of these, like the sell videos. These you could use for to promote your product. All right, so you could use the sales video as a ad video. All right, I already got the ad for you guys, so you guys could do it, but I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually get the ad, the YouTube ads. All right, so if you guys want to get a video ad, you guys do not actually have to do it yourself. So what you guys could do is actually just go to Clickbank, and if you guys look at affiliate pages, you guys could even go through that. BioFit does not have it, unfortunately. That's why I'm not doing it with BioFit, but it is coming out soon because they do have videos for you guys to use, but it says coming soon. All right, so just look for an affiliate marketing page, so you guys could actually do this. I'm using this one, the smoothie diet, and I'm using them, and it's already uploaded to one of my dummy accounts. So yeah, so what you guys want to do is actually just sign up with creating a YouTube ad and get started. All right, so it's already downloaded, so I'm just gonna copy the link. But you know, after you guys downloaded all that good stuff, all you guys gotta do is just do that. All right, so yeah, just get started with this. Alright, let it load up. Alright, I'm using a dummy account for this, so it could one of these. So I'm gonna take all these stuff out. I'm not creating a YouTube ad with this one. I'm using a different ad. So I'm gonna post the link right here, and that's it. Alright, automatically played before, during, or after YouTube ads. Use this one. Alright, this is what we want. This is basically just when people, like, before your video goes up, stream, so you guys can actually put an affiliate link. That's what we want. All right, so after views, click your ads. Where do you want to send them? All right, so what you guys want to do is actually get this link right here. So I'm gonna go back and get that link, and that's pretty much it. All right, that's it. All right, I'm not gonna do this one. Just go to only for YouTube. All right, next, and then what you guys want to do, you guys could do all these top tier countries, you know, but some of these actually have some of these actually have audience for you guys to promote for them. All right, so if you guys want to do that, you guys could you know, audience English, stuff like that. All right, keep it like that, because mostly, you know, and they actually, like I said, they do have people that they know that they're gonna promote to you. Sorry guys, my camera just died. So they already know how you guys can actually do this. All right, so just all you guys got to do, most of these is female, so I'm gonna take the males off. 18 24, yes. 25 to 34, yes. It goes all the way to 40 55. All right, I'm gonna leave this as blank. Just keep it the same. All right, and then, you know, professionals, they actually tell you how keep interest as broad as possible. Do not do that one. All right, reach people at specific interests that you select below. All right, so that's what you guys want. They're basically for health and fitness, so we're gonna look up some stuff. Lifestyles, that's what I'm trying to look for, but they don't. Green living. Alright, right here. They have health and fitness buffs. That's what you guys could do, and that's all you guys have to do. And that's it. Alright, that's pretty much it. Just use that one, and that's it. Alright. You guys do not need any other ones, because it's basically just health and fitness. Alright, just click next. You guys could go up to the minimum is 5, but you guys could go up to as much as possible. But we want to actually, I feel like that's how much you guys can actually get this for. $20 a day that you guys could actually do this. Alright, so all you guys gotta do is click out next, and that's pretty much it. You guys could write your stuff. Video campaign, you guys could edit this if you guys want, you know, just to be organized. On networks only on YouTube, you know, destination URL, yep, that, and then that's pretty much it. And you guys actually just put a payment down, and that's it. Alright, that's pretty much it. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to get into doing you guys want to do step-by-step on YouTube ads, I do have that access in my free affiliate marketing course, and I go step by step, so I will not let you, and you guys can actually reach me if you guys are getting stuck in my free affiliate marketing course. So if you guys want to get access to that, click the link down below. It's the first link that you guys will see, so you guys can get access to my free affiliate marketing course. Alright, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload my next video. And that's pretty much it, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.